Hey guys, MC Fix It here. We're working on a Bowen exhaust fan for a bathroom. This is the combination fan and light. We're gonna fix this problem where you can hear the fan go, but the light does not come on. And so with one tool, a flat-headed screwdriver, we're gonna go ahead and fix this problem and get you back to being able to use your bathroom with the ventilation system and the light working how it should. So the first and maybe easiest thing to do, use a flathead screwdriver, and there's little indentions that you just barely pry, and that comes off. And the first thing I'm going to try is just to switch out with a new light bulb. So you will take out your new light bulb, unscrew the old one. And with this, we don't have to worry about getting really electrocuted too much because this is meant for people to be able to change out pretty easily. And let's go ahead and see if that fixed our problem. You can tell the light did not come on, so that old bulb is good. But I still think I'm going to replace it with this LED just to make sure we get a little bit better energy savings. So we'll put that back in the box for now. So now that we've tested it is not the actual light bulb. There is a little silver screw. You just twist that to the left. Be careful because it can fall out pretty easy. And same thing with all this. Now one thing I do know, sometimes these wires have a lot of weight on them, especially if people are fixing them and they let it hang for a long time. So I'm going to do a little test real quick. I'm going to put the bulb back in. We're going to turn it back on so I still have power going to it. Oh, look at that. So I'm guessing it was like this before, and just it hanging down turned that light back on. So that's all it was this little outlet right here. It goes right into the white one. The black one goes for the black one. The white one goes for the white one. And I'm guessing it just got a little finagled in there. As you can see, it's still doing that right now. So we're going to go ahead, take off the light bulb. Turn off the fan, put this back up for this quick fix. Pretty easy. I didn't think it was a light bulb because when I changed out the light bulb, it still did not work. So that's back in. You go ahead and put in your light bulb and hopefully, and this does rub on the light bulb, which makes it a little delicate to put in, so just take your time. Don't break your light bulb over it. And look there. Then all you have to do is put your cover back on, and you are fixed. Again, it wasn't the light bulb, it was the outlet behind the light bulb. If you go up in there, make sure you're really careful. You turn off the power if you're going to go anywhere near where it connects into that wiring. But that's just a simple outlet right there. So you should be pretty good. And it's fixed. You're ready to go. Use your ventilation system in your bathroom when you're taking showers and be able to see at the same time. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions below. Thank you guys for watching.